Hello friends, we all want to be successful, right? It's human nature. We look at athletes, entrepreneurs, or artists and we think they have some secret sauce. But here is the truth, most of them don't. What they have is something far less glamorous and far more powerful: consistency and persistence. Most people think these are same thing, but they are not. Consistency is your engine and persistence is your shield. Today I am going to show you why you need both to win. Let's use a really simple analogy. Think about planting an apple tree. Consistency is the act of watering that seed every single morning. It's not exciting, it's boring. Some days you don't feel like doing it, but you do it anyway because that's the routine. Without consistency, the tree dies from neglect. But then a storm hits, the wind blows the tree over, or a drought comes. This is where persistence comes into play. Persistence is the decision to stack that tree back up, protect it from the wind, and keep going even when it looks like the tree might not make it. Without persistence, you quit the moment things get difficult. What happens is most people fail because they are consistently inconsistent. They work hard for 3 days and then take a week off. Imagine trying to boil a water. If you turn the heat on for 2 minutes, then turn it off for 10. The water will never boil. It doesn't matter how many times you turn it back on. Consistency builds the heat. Persistence keeps the fire lit when the wind tries to blow it out. The author Napoleon Hill says that persistence is a state of mind. It's the insurance policy against failure. If you decide before you start that you cannot be stopped, then every failure just become a lesson. Okay, so that's the why. But how do we actually apply? Here are 3 simple rules you can start using today. First, lower the bar for consistency. Don't try to work 10 hours a day. Try to work 30 minutes every single day without fail. It's better to walk 2 kilometers every day than to run 20 kilometers once a month. Second, expect the storm. Don't be surprised when things go wrong. Expect it. When the storm hits, remind yourself this is where my persistence is tested. Third, the 2-day rules. Never miss your habit 2 days in a row. Missing one day is an accident. Missing two is the start of brand new habit of quitting. The end of the day, success isn't about being the fastest or the smartest. It's about being the one who is still standing when everyone else has gone home. So just remember this. Your twin engines have to work together. Be consistent in your effort and be persistent in your spirit. Water your tree today and don't let the storm stop you tomorrow. The only real question is, are you willing to stay in the garden long enough to see it grow?